Hi everyone, it's Vanna for Kelowna Now, and today I'm joined by Kayla Ungaro from the Canucks Autism Network. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. So you're with the Canucks Autism Network, and maybe for people who don't know, what is that?
Yeah, so the Canucks Autism Network runs year-round adaptive sports and rec programs for individuals and families living with autism. We also focus on awareness and training.
Okay, and so for some of the people here in the Okanagan, is there any programs that they might recognize that you guys support?
Yeah, we run a variety of programs year-round, which include our adapted Red Cross swim program. We have a skating program, gym-based sports programs. We do weekly youth and young adult programming, as well as a variety of family and community events.
That's awesome. And obviously to run all these programs, you guys need some funds.
We do, yeah.
So you're here because you have a really cool fundraiser coming up.
We do. We are running Country for Can, which is a night at the OK Corral featuring a variety of country music artists, including Son of John, Michael Daniels, Ben Click, Jeff Johnson, and the Hillside Outlaws. So we'll be doing a silent auction as well as a live 50-50 draw.
That's awesome. Do you guys have a goal as for how many funds you're hoping to bring in?
The night is really just to focus on raising awareness as well as obviously some funds that will stay here to support our programming in the Okanagan.
Awesome, that's really cool. So for this type of event, it's kind of a new way to fundraise for you guys. So why did you decide to go this route?
Yeah, we are very fortunate to have an amazing team of staff and volunteers that are passionate about supporting our programs. And one of our volunteers, Morgan, whose brother is Michael Daniels, approached us. And she was like, we really want to give back and find a way to support the Canucks Autism Network and your programming in Kelowna. And they brought forward the idea of doing a Country for Can night. So we're really excited about it and thankful for their support.
Why would you encourage people to attend an event like this, maybe even if they're not familiar with the programs that you guys bring forward?
Yeah, it's a chance obviously to hear some amazing country music artists, as well as supporting our vision of every individual with autism is understood, supported, and accepted in all community spaces. So running something like that furthers our vision in helping support these individuals in the Okanagan and make sure that we can run programming for all of them.
And why do you guys take the approach of engaging these individuals with sport and with activities such as, being outside and adventuring and things like that? Why is that important to you?
So sports and rec programs are important for all individuals to be involved in. It gives them a chance to focus on themselves and being physically active and also mentally active as well. And by having individuals on the spectrum involved in these programs, it not only gives them a chance to be a part of like a sports and rec program, but they have the chance to be a part of something more, something like a team, and they get to focus on some of those social skills as well.
So you guys offer memberships for families within the Okanagan. Do you want to talk a little bit about what those offer?
Yeah, so families have the chance to sign up for a year-round membership, which is only $25 for the year, which is really accessible. It can be reimbursed through their autism funding. Once they are members, they have access to registering for all of our programs throughout the year, as well as our free family events and different community events that are going on as well.
Is there anything coming up following the fundraiser that families can attend?
Yeah, we actually have our summer programming running. So we're running 4 weeks of summer camps this year. They run starting July 5th for 4 consecutive weeks, and it's week-long day programs for these kids. And there's a variety of different themes, including multi-sport. There's an arts and science camp. There's a coding workshop, as well as what we call Adventureland, so more of the outdoor rec. In August, we are running a family event that is mini golf at 19 greens as well.
That's awesome. So this event is set to take place on Friday, June 21st?
It is. Doors open at 9 o'clock.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that I guess you would want to put out to Kelowna, about the vital work that you guys are doing and why it's important to support this cause?
Yeah, we're just very passionate about supporting individuals that are living with autism because a lot of them often don't get the opportunities to be a part of different programs or different events. So by raising money, we can help provide more of that and hopefully give more families living with autism that opportunity to be involved within their community.
Well, you guys, make sure you head out to Country for Can at the OK Corral on June 21st. You can get your tickets online, I assume?
Yes, KelownaTickets.com.
Perfect, and thanks so much for joining us today, Kayla.
Awesome, thank you so much.